Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass iCloud on iPhone 7 Plus, iOS 14.1, and this method can also work on 14.2 and so on and so forth. So without wasting any time, I'm going to bust into the video. But before, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel and turn on the notification icon. It will notify you once we drop a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter with the handle Kalihybrid_iOS. I drop everything about iCloud. I do a repost all time, do the post and give you the suggestion of the latest thing. And don't forget to subscribe to my blog. This is my website, so you can follow us to get the new tools and everything about iCloud activation lock, iCloud bypass, anything, Checkra1n, the latest things in town, the crack tools and everything. I'll be updating you all the time so that you can be actualized about what is going on in this community of iPhone. Okay, thank you very much. Now, without wasting any time, I'll get down into the video. I need to reboot my system to my Macintosh so that I can jailbreak my iPhone 7 Plus. Now I just boot into my MacBook. And now you can go to our official web, Kalihybrid.blog. Now you can go to our website and find jailbreak iOS 14, R10 to R11. Okay, on iOS 14. And support all your device, iPhone 7 to iPhone X, probably. Okay, and choose Checkra1n patch GUID, and it's going to take you to the mega link and where you can download this file and install it on your MacBook or your Macintosh, any one of your choice. Now I'm gonna start the bypass process, but before anything, if you're running this software on Windows 10, please don't forget to turn off your Windows Defender, but because sometimes they do detect some software as a virus, so you have to go to the setting and pull it off. Now you're good to go. And the tool I will be using in this video is called iKey Bypass. So shout out to them. This is their Twitter handle. You can also follow them. And this is my Twitter handle. Also, you can follow me and turn on the notification. Now click on Start Bypass. But firstly, if you are facing this kind of error, make sure you open your 3U2s so that the SSH can be downloaded very easily. So now you see our bypassing have started. Okay. As you can see, our device is respringing. Now you can see, done. Now you can enjoy your phone completely normal. So now you have the factory activated. The device now you can bypass and use your SIM on it. Now let me go into the device.
Agora.
I'm